Avoid the unhappy and unlucky. Law 10 of the 48 Laws of Power. Good day, lovely people. I greet you with affection. I wish you a fantastic day. Let's begin with today's blog. On our journey through life, we frequently come across people who exude negativity, sadness, and tragedy. While it may appear commendable to assist or befriend such people, it is critical to understand the possible negative impact they can have on our own life. Law 10 in Robert Greene's The 48 Laws of Power, Infection. Avoid the unhappy and the unlucky, provides useful advice in this regard. This blog article will look at this law and show how important it is to surround ourselves with happy and lucky individuals in order to create a favorable environment for success and personal improvement. Understanding emotional infections. Emotions are contagious. Just as you can catch a cold from someone else, you can also catch their emotional state. A single encounter with an unhappy or unlucky person may not cause considerable damage, but continuous exposure can be disastrous. When we spend time with such individuals, their negativity can infect our thoughts and emotions, leading to pessimism, dissatisfaction, and, ultimately, a lack of success. The drowning man analogy. Helping someone in need can be a noble act, but it is essential to distinguish between genuine aid and self-sabotage. When we attempt to save a drowning man, we may feel virtuous, but we also risk getting pulled under the water ourselves. The unfortunate person's problems could quickly become our own, leading to a destructive cycle of negativity. Recognizing unlucky people. Identifying the unhappy and unlucky is crucial for avoiding emotional infections. Such individuals often possess specific traits, including a victim mentality. They blame others or external circumstances for their misfortunes instead of taking responsibility for their actions and choices. Chronic complaining. They continuously express dissatisfaction with their lives, focusing on the negative rather than the positive. An inability to learn from mistakes. They repeat the same errors, unable to break free from their destructive patterns. Why associate with the happy and fortunate? By consciously choosing to associate with happy and fortunate people, we create a positive environment that promotes growth, creativity, and success. Happy people tend to inspire and motivate. Their optimism and enthusiasm can be infectious, pushing us to achieve our goals and overcome obstacles. Offer valuable insights. They often possess a wealth of knowledge and experience, enabling us to learn from their successes and mistakes. Foster a support network. By surrounding ourselves with positive, successful individuals, we create a network of support that can provide guidance, encouragement, and resources when needed. Conclusion. Law 10 of the 48 Laws of Power cautions us to avoid the unhappy and unlucky to protect ourselves from the emotional infections they carry. Instead, we should actively seek out and associate with happy, fortunate individuals who can inspire and support us on our path to success. By doing so, we can create a positive environment that fosters personal growth and achievement while minimizing the risk of being dragged down by others' misfortunes. I'm not an expert on this topic. I'm simply documenting my journey on the evolution of money and Web3. We appreciate that you took the time out of your busy day to watch our content. We upload content frequently. Thanks for your support.